Hey everyone, today I have an incredible story of survival that emerged from the catastrophic flooding in Valencia, Spain. Picture this, a woman trapped in her car for 3 whole days, surrounded by floodwaters with no food or water. It's a story that defies the odds and speaks to the resilience of the human spirit. Let me set the scene for you. Valencia has been hit by a severe weather event known as Dana, which stands for Depresión Aislada en Niveles Altos. It's a type of storm where warm air collides violently with cold air at high altitudes, unleashing torrential rain. This storm was so intense that some areas saw a year's worth of rainfall in just a few hours. The aftermath has been nothing short of devastating, with streets transformed into rivers and homes submerged underwater. In the midst of this chaos, rescuers were combing through debris and flooded areas, desperately searching for survivors. That's when they found her. A woman who had been trapped in her car for 72 hours. Imagine the fear and uncertainty she must have felt, yet she held on, hoping for a miracle. And that miracle came in the form of brave rescuers who pulled her to safety. But it's important to remember that while her story ended in a rescue, many others are still missing. A particularly grim scene unfolded in a flooded parking lot in Aldaya. Described as a graveyard due to the number of missing persons feared to have perished, the death toll has tragically risen to 213, and the search and rescue operations continue, with emergency services and military units working tirelessly. The response to this disaster has sparked significant political controversy. The regional president, Carlos Marzón, has faced criticism for his handling of the emergency. Meanwhile, Spanish royalty, including King Felipe VI and Queen Letizia, are set to visit the affected areas, offering support and solidarity to those impacted by the floods. So what caused this catastrophic event? Meteorologists point to Dana, a type of low-pressure storm system, exacerbated by an unusually unstable and stationary jet stream. This combination led to extreme weather conditions and the severe flooding we're witnessing now. Experts are also highlighting the role of climate change, noting that rising temperatures in the Mediterranean region have intensified such weather events. The images coming out of Valencia are heart-wrenching, from helicopter footage showing streets that look like scenes from a post-apocalyptic movie, to the resilient faces of those who have lost everything but continue to fight on. In the face of such tragedy, the human spirit shines brightest. Volunteers, rescuers, and everyday citizens are coming together, showing immense courage and solidarity. As we reflect on this event, let's remember the importance of community and the power of hope. For those of you who are disaster relief volunteers, your work is invaluable. Every life saved, every hand extended makes a difference. Stay safe, stay strong, and let's continue to support one another through these challenging times. Thank you for listening, and please share this story to raise awareness and support for those affected by the Valencia floods. Together we can make a difference. Until next time, take care.